Welcome back to my channel, my legends. If you guys are here for the first time, my name is G Moa. Uh, I just want to help you guys, if anything, create motivation or inspiration and help guide you guys to start on your first business. But in today's video, I'll be showing you guys exactly the breakdown of how I made $4,231.59 with one book, and it was actually my first book that I published from Kindle Publishing. All right. If you guys stick to the end of this video, I will show you guys a video that I made exactly step by step how I actually did this process of Kindle publishing your book onto Amazon and how to actually get it going. Okay. The past couple of weeks, I've just been literally just being kind of lazy and procrastinating. But even with this business model of Kindle publishing and publishing book, you still have money coming through. Even if you don't touch it, it's just passive income. But I went the other day, I went to No Surrender, which is like a little kid play place.
Yeah.
Are you making a video right now?
Yeah. For YouTube, go. Camera shy. Hello. Ow. Ow. Why your butt in my face? Ow. Bam, look how steep that is. Dangerous.
Well, that was a lot of fun, but now it's time to get back down to business and start grinding again, showing you guys and helping everybody who wants to learn how to actually make money online. Just do that, okay? So to break it down to you guys, showing you guys the numbers, but before I get started, this is, like I said, is the first book that I started, my first book that I published online. So let's go down to the breakdown and show you guys the stats that Amazon's given me, okay? So you guys see here, this is the royalties that Amazon has paid out to me right here from this one book right here. So to show you guys this book was published all the way, the first book I ever published was in August of 2015. And this book literally took me like 2 weeks to just find out. I was just, when you first start, or at least when I first start any business, this was like the very first business, passive income business I started. So I was really, really careful. Um, so I just like did so much research, even though it's not really that necessary. But I guess you need to do it. But I mean, I over analyzed it. I don't know if you guys have the problem, but I do that. I've gotten a lot better with that. But as you guys can see here, August, the first month of 2015, I barely sold 6 ebooks on there. So basically, the next month, the paid units ebook, it went up to 17. Back then in 2015, they used to have something called CreateSpace, where you actually go onto that platform and you publish it. But now they make it a lot easier, so you just publish everything onto this KDP page, kdp.amazon.com page, which makes it a lot easier. Okay, so that even puts all the sales together, so I don't need to go back to the other website. The other website, actually, I think it's already, like, if you go there, it just redirects you to this page. So anyways, it just started to go off, and it started to get us some reviews, and that's when it started selling like crazy. This book was actually killing it more on a paperback sales than on ebooks, as you guys can see here. The gray is the paperback, and the orange is the ebook. So you guys see here, I'm selling it for $12.74 on paperback, and I'm getting $5.49 back as a royalty, so 43% for paperback. If you price it higher, I believe you get more in royalties. But it's just a short book, so I didn't want to price it too high. And for the ebook, I'm selling it for $2.99. Amazon's giving me $2 back, so 70%. So they're keeping 30%. They're keeping $1. I'm getting $2, which is fine because they do all the processing and everything. So basically, in January, right here, I will say is because people are getting tablets, people's getting stuff, Amazon gift cards, so they're purchasing a lot of books or products on Amazon. So yeah, so anyways, it keeps going. The best month I ever had was December of 2016. Sold 60 paperbacks and 21 ebooks. So that was a crazy month. That month made probably like what five times 60s 300, 2 times 21, just 2 times 20 is 40. Five what 300 plus 40, can't do math right now, $340. Yeah, it's just that one book alone. And I forgot if I said it, but then this book only cost me $65 to pay somebody to write it for me. If you don't have that money, like I was telling you guys, you can stay till the end of this video. I actually have the step by step on how you can start this writing your building this business without having any money. It's gonna be a little slower without money, but if you have money, obviously it's gonna be faster. But this month alone, $340, crazy that month. So let's see here around here. So I'll say around right here, like this month right here, this month here. In 3 months, October, I already made my money back and profit and some more, right? So if I only spent $65 plus $5, I paid for somebody to do the cover for me so that's a total of $70, right? Like by October, I already made my money back plus profits. And as you can see, anything from November all the way down here is just literally all profits, nothing else. And yeah, it's crazy. This business is kind of what I like to look at it as is like you're creating mini apartments or real estates inside of the Amazon platform. And you actually cash out the house. The house is considering like a book, is what I want to look at it. Basically, like every book that you publish online is like a little piece of real estate that's online, but you cash the house out. So after they pay off that house or AKA book, then everything else is profit. That's the one thing that I love about this business model, and that's why I'm getting back into the game. And it's just a great return on investment, right? So down here is called the Kindle edition normalized pages read. When I got into the game or into this business, they started paying you per page read, so like an estimate of half a cent for a page read. So I didn't make a lot of money from non-fiction books. You don't make a lot of money. If you want to make a lot of money from these pages read, you actually need to do fiction books because a lot of people who just read fiction books. They actually have the Kindle edition normalized page, which is a program that Amazon rolls out for people who wants to read books that are enrolled. So I actually enrolled my book because it actually brings in more sales. Whew, I'm out of breath just telling you guys. Just excited to tell you guys like this amazing opportunity and hopes it motivates you guys to get started. Yeah, but anyways, I don't even look at this much, but unless my other books, I have some fiction books as well. But for each 1,000 page read, you get about like $5, just estimate, $4 to $5. But the majority of my money that it came from was from just selling the paperback books and the ebooks, and also an Audible version, which I want to show you guys over here. Um, yeah, so showing you guys right here. It has 473 sales. That's the total sales right here. So I'm actually doing a royalty share, meaning that I let a person read your book for you, which is all on ACX, which is completely easy to do. Um, Basically, they read your book, they do the book free for you, and then the royalties they just split it half for the Audible. Okay, so 473, you get my book is short, probably like 30 to 40 minutes to read, so I only get like 80 cents. So I split that with the oh no, that's actually wrong. I'm actually getting $1.60, $1.50, but I split the royalty in half, which gives me 40 cents. So I'm actually making more than that number I estimated, you guys. I just remember that. Yeah. Okay, so the number 3 right here is called bounties, meaning if a person who they're first reading a book on Audible and they pick your book to read, you get a $50 bonus. I read that Amazon's gonna stop this soon, which is a bummer because this is a great income. But even without this, you still make a bunch of money from just selling these books alone. And these are just the types of readers that these numbers here are just the types of readers that when they purchase your book, how do they purchase it? But the main thing is just the total sales and the bounty, all right? So to calculate all of them together, as you guys can see here, these are in US, GBP, Euro, Japanese yen, like that. So I translated that currency into the U.S. money. All right, so to find out exactly how much I made, and actually after finding out that I forgot that I actually made 80 cents, not 40 cents. Um, average around for one Audible book is actually going to be double the Audible. I'll show you guys right here. So these are the numbers that I translated or I converted, not translated. So USD, I made 3,115 GBP, so forth, and these are all the numbers that after I converted to USD money, that's how much I made. So you see Audible here, the math here is actually wrong. Let me see. So 40, so 80 cents. Let me just put that in my calculator. Let's see. Calculator. You guys see here my gym pass right here. My gym pass. It's gonna get back active. You guys saw my other video. Check that video out. I'm gonna be creating another video, a little progress on my fitness progress, but yeah, let's keep to this video. 0.08. So that'll be 378.4 plus 75 because I don't know if I said it, but you get $50 for the bounty, and if you divide that by 2, which is the royalty split, I get $25. So three bounties, I get $75. So this number is actually 453.4, 453.4. So it changes that number to $4,420.79 for an investment of $70. All right. So I hope that's already inspiration for you guys. Even if you guys don't start this business, I mean, it's a great opportunity. It's just building mini real estates into Amazon. All right. So, like I said, I promised you guys the video. So click on the video. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen here. If you guys want to learn how I did this step by step and how you can do it too. Hope this video motivated you guys, and I'll show you guys the step by step. And hope you guys get started. All right. You don't need any money, $0 to get started. And this is like I said, one of the ways that I learned to start making passive income online very cheaply.